Check out this 2011 Buick Lucerne. Everything you need under one roof with this great vehicle. With a solid 6-cylinder engine that responds smoothly to its automatic transmission, reach your destination effortlessly with GPS navigation. Anti-lock brakes help you bring your vehicle to a safe stop. Heated seats are a desirable comfort feature. He's always hot and she's always cold. Solve this problem while driving with dual temperature controls. Memory settings are just one of the extras. And with these notable features, you won't want to miss out on the opportunity to own this amazing vehicle. Air conditioning, power door locks, power windows, power steering, cruise control, power mirrors, an alarm system, an AM/FM stereo with a CD player, an adjustable tilt steering wheel. Call today to schedule a test drive.